Welcome to Blissful Journeys, your sanctuary for profound relaxation and inner harmony. Take a moment to acknowledge that you've arrived at a sacred space, a place entirely dedicated to nurturing your well-being. Find a spot where you can be free from disturbances, where you can immerse yourself in the serenity of this moment. It could be your favorite cozy chair, a soft carpet, or even a peaceful corner of your garden. Now, as you settle into this chosen space, become aware of the world around you. Pay attention to the subtle sounds of nature or the comforting silence indoors. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin, whether it's the warmth of the sun's embrace or the gentle coolness of the indoors. With this awareness, begin to gently close your eyes. As you do so, let it signify your willingness to let go of the external world for a while, and to turn your focus inward. Your closed eyes become the doorway to a journey within, a journey toward profound relaxation and inner harmony. As your eyes gently close, take a moment to savor the comforting darkness behind your eyelids. Allow any lingering visual distractions to fade away. This is your private cocoon of tranquility where you are safe, and where you can nurture your inner peace. With your eyes closed, let your other senses come to the forefront. Notice the sounds, the subtle sensations, and the feelings that arise within you. You are now ready to embark on this blissful journey into the depths of your being, where relaxation and harmony await. In this moment, it's just you and your inner world, and the promise of a deeply rejuvenating experience. Let's begin. Let's start our journey by paying close attention to our breath. This is something we do every day without thinking much about it, but now, we'll do it with intention. Take a slow, gentle breath in through your nose. As you do, notice the way the air feels as it fills your lungs. Picture your chest and belly expanding like a balloon being filled with air. This breath is like a source of life, and it's nourishing your entire body. As you exhale, do it slowly and purposefully. Imagine that with each breath out, you're releasing any stress, tension, or worries you may be carrying. Visualize these feelings leaving your body, like a wave washing them away from your mind and body. This simple act of breathing, paying attention to it, can help guide you into a peaceful and calm state. It's like a soothing wave carrying you into a state of deep tranquility, where you'll find relaxation and peace. Now, let's bring your attention to your body. Imagine it like a wonderful journey where you can feel deeply relaxed. Start at the top of your head, the very crown. Picture a warm, gentle energy flowing down from there. Imagine it like a cozy, soft waterfall of relaxation. As this energy moves down, think of the muscles in your forehead and jaw. See them becoming soft and comfortable, as if any tension is melting away. This soothing feeling travels down your neck, like a shiny, calming liquid. It's like a warm embrace that gently dissolves any knots or tension you might have. This journey inside your body is like turning down the volume on stress and turning up the volume on relaxation. It's a beautiful sensation that brings peace and comfort. keep going with this relaxation journey. Imagine it like a warm and gentle river flowing through your arms, starting from your shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. As this soothing energy travels through your arms, let it touch every muscle. Think of it as a comforting hug for your muscles. With each breath, imagine any remaining stress or discomfort fading away. It's like these feelings are evaporating into thin air, leaving your arms feeling light, as if they're floating on air. Your limbs are now free from the weight of any tension or stress, and you can feel the liberating sensation of relaxation spreading through your entire body. Now, let's move your attention to your chest and upper back. Imagine a warm and gentle feeling of relaxation spreading through this area. It's like a cozy, comforting blanket wrapping around your heart and lungs, bringing a sense of soothing and healing. As this warmth flows, sense any tension that might still be there slowly dissolving away. It's as though any remaining tightness is fading, just like mist in the morning sun. This is a beautiful moment of peace and comfort, a moment where your heart and lungs can also relax and feel the gentle embrace of tranquility. Now, let's gently guide your focus to your lower back and abdomen. Imagine a warm, comforting energy flowing through this area, as if it's a soft, cozy stream. Visualize this gentle stream melting away any stress or tightness you might have felt there. As this soothing energy flows, allow yourself to feel a sense of gentle support and unwavering stability. It's like you're being cradled by the arms of tranquility, securely anchored to the present moment. This is a moment of profound comfort and assurance, where any lingering tension or discomfort simply dissolves away, leaving you feeling deeply relaxed and at ease. Now, focus your attention on your hips and pelvis. Picture any lingering tension gently fading away, as if it's evaporating into the air. Feel a profound sense of release in this area, as your hips begin to relax. Imagine your hips becoming supple and soft, like a cozy cushion. This relaxation allows you to sink even deeper into a state of comfort. It's as if you're settling into a comfortable, supportive chair, cradled by the sensation of ease and relaxation. This is your time to let go of any tension in your hips and embrace the soothing comfort of this moment. Now, let your attention drift down to your thighs, knees, and calves. With each soothing breath, sense any remaining tension in these muscles gently fading away. It's like those knots of tension are unraveling, and your legs are becoming supple and comfortable. Picture your thighs, knees, and calves as being as relaxed as a gentle breeze rustling through the leaves of a serene forest. Feel the sensation of ease and lightness spreading through your lower limbs, like the refreshing touch of nature. As you embrace this sensation, you're stepping into a moment of profound relaxation, where your legs feel weightless and at peace. Now, let your attention gently shift to your ankles and feet. Imagine any last traces of stress or fatigue simply melting away, like ice turning into water. Feel your lower extremities becoming wonderfully light and revitalized. As you visualize this transformation, become aware of the strong connection between your feet and the earth beneath you. It's as though your feet are firmly rooted in the ground, grounding you firmly in this present moment. This is a moment of rejuvenation and connection, where your ankles and feet feel light and refreshed, and you're fully anchored in the soothing embrace of the present. Now that every part of your body is enveloped in a profound state of relaxation, let's take the next step and embark on a guided visualization journey. Imagine yourself on a perfect, sunlit beach. Picture the golden sand beneath your feet, warm and soft, as if it's giving you a gentle foot massage with each step you take. Feel the grains of sand between your toes, inviting you to relax even more. Now, gaze at the clear, sparkling waters gently caressing the shoreline. The water is a mesmerizing shade of deep blue, and you can hear the tranquil sounds of the waves. It's like a symphony of nature, soothing and comforting. This beach is your haven of peace and serenity, where you can let go of any worries or stress. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this tranquil scene. As you continue to stroll along the shore, be aware of the delightful sensation of the cool water tenderly brushing against your ankles. It's like a refreshing and soothing embrace from the ocean, inviting you to be fully present in this moment. Feel the rhythmic pulse of the ocean's waves, a gentle reminder of the eternal ebb and flow of life. It's a reminder that, just like the waves, life has its natural rhythms and cycles, and in this moment, you can find harmony and peace. Overhead, the sun casts a soft, golden glow upon you, warming your skin and filling you with radiant energy. It's as though the sun is replenishing your spirit, infusing you with a sense of vitality and joy. This beach is your sanctuary, where you can connect with the elements of nature and find a deep sense of balance and serenity. As you continue your peaceful walk along the shore, notice a tall palm tree nearby. Its lush fronds sway gracefully in the gentle breeze, offering a welcoming shade beneath its canopy. Take a moment to pause and rest beneath the cool shade of this magnificent palm tree. Feel the soft, dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves, creating a soothing pattern of light and shadow on your skin. Listen to the rustling of the palm leaves, like a gentle lullaby, and the distant calls of seagulls in the tranquil sky. These natural sounds further deepen your sense of relaxation, wrapping you in a cocoon of serene tranquility. This moment under the palm tree is a precious sanctuary, where you can fully surrender to the beauty and peace of the present, letting go of any lingering tension or worries. As you lie there beneath the swaying palm tree, imagine a profound sense of peace enveloping you, like a warm and protective cocoon. It's as if this peace is gently wrapping around you, cradling you in its loving embrace. In this moment, the worries of the world fade into the distance. They become distant echoes, barely audible in the background. Your focus is solely on this idyllic moment of serenity, where time slows down, and you are completely and blissfully present. This sense of peace is your sanctuary, your safe haven, where you can let go of anything that might be weighing on your mind and fully immerse yourself in the tranquility of this beautiful beach scene. Take a few more moments to savor this guided meditation. Allow yourself to sink even deeper into the wellspring of tranquility and rejuvenation that surrounds you. In this tranquil oasis by the beach, you have the gift of time, and it's yours to cherish. Let the peaceful sensations and soothing imagery wash over you like a gentle tide, refreshing your body, mind, and spirit. As you savor these moments, know that you are replenishing your inner well of calm and resilience. Every breath you take in this serene space deepens your sense of inner peace. Take your time here, and when you're ready, gently return to the awareness of the world around you, carrying the tranquility and rejuvenation of this meditation with you. Thank you for joining us on this profound journey today. If you found this session uplifting and would like more guided meditations and relaxation experiences, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. Remember that your self-care and these moments of inner peace are the foundation of your well-being. Make it a priority to honor and cherish these moments in your daily life. By nurturing your inner peace, you're creating a harmonious and balanced life. Once again, thank you for being a part of Blissful Journeys. We look forward to sharing more moments of tranquility and serenity with you in the future.